Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, your daily destination for timeless inspiration, creative reuse, and soulful home decor ideas. Today's video invites you into a world where raw materials meet refined beauty, where history blends with modern living, and where creativity turns the forgotten into the unforgettable. We are exploring stunning industrial fusion decor, crafted through the powerful combination of reclaimed wood and metal. This is not just about decor, it's about storytelling, sustainability, and designing spaces that feel authentic, bold, and alive. Industrial fusion decor has a unique way of speaking to us. It celebrates imperfections, textures, and the natural wear of time. Reclaimed wood brings warmth, grain, and character shaped by years of use, while metal adds strength, structure, and an unmistakable industrial edge. Together, they create a balanced harmony, rugged yet elegant, rustic yet modern. In today's homes, this fusion has become more than a trend, it's a lifestyle choice for those who value creativity, sustainability, and individuality. As you watch this video, imagine old factory beams transformed into floating shelves, worn wooden planks reborn as striking wall art, and discarded metal frames turned into statement furniture. Each piece carries a past life, and when thoughtfully redesigned, it becomes a powerful focal point in modern interiors. Industrial fusion decor works beautifully in living rooms, dining spaces, home offices, cafes, studios, and even small apartments, proving that bold design doesn't require massive spaces, only vision and heart. One of the most beautiful aspects of upcycling reclaimed wood and metal is the story behind every piece. These materials have lived before. They may have supported a factory roof, lined a workshop wall, or framed an old door. When we reuse them, we honor their journey while giving them new purpose. At Kuki Decor, we believe homes should feel meaningful, not mass-produced, and industrial fusion decor does exactly that. It allows your space to feel personal, grounded, and deeply connected to craftsmanship. Industrial decor often embraces raw finishes, visible welds, exposed bolts, natural wood cracks, and weathered textures. Instead of hiding flaws, this style highlights them. A scratch becomes character. A rust mark becomes art. A rough edge becomes a design feature. When paired with thoughtful lighting, neutral tones, or soft textiles, industrial fusion decor creates spaces that feel both strong and welcoming. It's this balance that makes reclaimed wood and metal so powerful together. As we move through today's designs, notice how simple elements can make a strong impact. A reclaimed wood tabletop, supported by a black metal frame, instantly becomes the heart of a dining room. A metal pipe shelf paired with aged wood planks turns an empty wall into functional art. Even small decor accents like metal-framed mirrors, wood and steel planters, or industrial-style lamps can completely transform the mood of a room. Industrial fusion isn't about excess, it's about intentional design. By choosing reclaimed wood and salvaged metal, we reduce waste, conserve natural resources, and give materials a second life. In a world of fast furniture and disposable decor, upcycling stands as a mindful alternative. It reminds us that beauty doesn't have to be new, expensive, or perfect. Often, the most stunning pieces come from what others overlook. This philosophy is deeply rooted in the spirit of Kuki Decor. If you're someone who loves creativity, this style offers endless possibilities. No two reclaimed pieces are ever the same, which means your decor will always be unique. Grain patterns vary, metal tones differ, and textures tell different stories. Industrial fusion decor allows you to mix old and new, rough and refined, bold and subtle. It encourages experimentation while staying grounded in timeless design principles. Midway through this video, we want to take a moment to say thank you for being part of the Kuki Decor family. We post videos daily to inspire your creativity, spark new ideas, and help you see beauty in unexpected places. If you're enjoying this journey into industrial fusion decor, please take a second to like this video, as it truly supports our channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Kuki Decor and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily inspiration. Now let's return to the magic of reclaimed wood and metal. One of the reasons this fusion works so well is its versatility. It pairs beautifully with modern minimalist interiors, rustic farmhouse styles, urban lofts, and even contemporary spaces. You can soften the industrial look with warm lighting, plants, or textiles, or lean into its boldness with darker tones and raw finishes. Industrial fusion decor adapts to your personal style while maintaining its strong identity. Lighting plays a crucial role in showcasing industrial decor. Warm lights bring out the richness of wood grains, while focused lighting highlights metal textures and shadows. Pendant lights with metal cages, exposed bulbs, or reclaimed wood fixtures enhance the industrial mood while adding warmth and intimacy. When light interacts with reclaimed materials, it creates depth and atmosphere that mass-produced decor often lacks. Industrial fusion decor is also deeply practical. Metal adds durability and structure, while reclaimed wood offers strength and longevity. These materials are built to last, making them ideal for furniture and functional decor. Beyond aesthetics, this style supports long-term use, repair, and reuse values that align perfectly with sustainable living and conscious design. As you continue watching, think about how these ideas could fit into your own space. Maybe it's a small shelf made from scrap, wood and metal brackets, or a statement wall using reclaimed planks. Perhaps it's a custom table, or a simple decor accent that adds industrial character. The beauty of upcycling is that every project starts with imagination, not perfection. At Kuki Decor, we encourage you to see potential where others see waste. Industrial fusion decor reminds us that creativity can transform even the most unlikely materials into art. It's about respecting the past, embracing the present, and designing for a more thoughtful future. Each piece you bring into your home can be a reflection of your values, your creativity, and your appreciation for handcrafted beauty. As we come toward the end of today's video, we hope you feel inspired, motivated, and excited to explore the world of reclaimed wood and metal decor. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a design lover, or simply someone who appreciates meaningful interiors, industrial fusion offers endless inspiration. It proves that stunning decor doesn't come from perfection, but from purpose. If this video sparked an idea, or inspired a future project, let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts and connecting with our community. Your support helps us continue sharing daily decor inspiration and creative stories from around the world. Thank you for spending your time with Kuki Decor today. Remember, great design is not about trends, it's about creating spaces that feel true to you. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we'll see you tomorrow with another beautiful story of transformation, craftsmanship, and timeless decor. As we near the end of this journey, we hope you feel inspired to look differently at the old furniture around you. What may seem outdated today could become tomorrow's statement piece. With vision and creativity, vintage treasures can be transformed into trendy home decor that feels both classic and contemporary. This balance is the heart of timeless design. Thank you for spending this time with Classic Decor. If this video inspired you to rethink, restore, or reimagine old furniture, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories where vintage charm meets modern elegance. Until next time, keep creating homes filled with warmth, history, and timeless beauty.